So I have not been able to find any good videos on how to change the fork oil on a Dyna. So I'm gonna give it a shot, see how much fluid I can get out of the bottom. But yeah, this will be the first how-to that I know of. First things you're gonna wanna do, inch and, what is this? Inch and 3/8 socket on the top. Pop those plugs. Those are under force, don't get punched in the teeth. Just keep a hand over it, you'll be fine. Take off your front tire, that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so I'm going to see. So 24 millimeter, boom. Take that off, take your washer off, your nut. I like to go sharp side towards the fork. I don't know if that's right, that's what it is. A couple ounces down here, I thought they were 5s. I don't know, I might Google it real quick, make sure I don't strip them. And then got this flathead, pull this axle out. My spacers, when I take them off, I just leave them on the side they're supposed to be on. I like to do the lines on the outside right there. I don't know if that's right either, but I think it looks better. So, carry on. Those puppies have been getting hot. That's why I put that RBF 600 in there though. Because now I can do that all day without boiling over my brakes. All right, front tire's off. I don't know what size that was. I ended up hammering a Torx in there to bulge it in a little bit and then used a 5 to get it out. So I'm just gonna go replace it with some new ones that don't suck. But yeah, so there's some more Allens up in here and those ones I do not want to fuck up. So I'm gonna make sure I got something dialed. If not, I'll go to the store, grab those bolts and some new Allens. So pull the Allens out of here, get a drain pan, push your forks up and down. You can take off this front fender to not bend it. All right, so once you get that bolt out, make sure you take off your front fender because it's gonna be torquing side to side, and if there's only your front fender keeping it strong, it's gonna bend it. So take that off. Pop that 12 millimeter head. I don't know what the threads are, I don't care. The thread, and then this, just pump it up and down a couple times. And let all that fluid drain out. And then don't let it fall and put that thread back in. Do the same on the other side. All right, so that bar sucked. We're going bigger. That should definitely give me enough torque to get that bolt undone without that spin. All right, so we got the torque. We got the torque busted. So I'm just gonna throw this on the impact to loosen it. I'll probably impact a little bit on and get a proper torque. I don't know where the impact went. Here it is. So yeah, so I'm just gonna juice this out. All that dirty, nasty ass oil comes out. Give her a couple pumps. That terrible Harley weight stock, whatever it is. I don't know, like 10 or 20 pounds. We're going 30 though, which will slow it down a little bit, but hopefully make these stock springs not feel like trash. Yeah, just let that drain out. Throw those caps in. I'll figure out what the torque is on these bottom nuts now that I have my handy dandy Mega cheater bar. And get those torqued back up. Theoretically, I should replace the little crush washer underneath there, but I'm trying to do some wheelies like right now. So I'm gonna hope they work, and if they don't, I'll just replace it, so not a big deal. But yeah, bolt it back up, put those caps back on. They're a bitch. and there's a lot of spring tension right there at the top, so don't cross thread it. I don't have any really good helpful tips on that, so just figure it out, but that's all you do. So hopefully this is a video that people can find if they're looking to replace their fork fluid without a complete rebuild. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one. Alright, so apparently Harley's dumb. You want 110 millimeters of fork oil when your spring's fully compressed up from the top of the tube. So I'm just gonna tape this at 110. That's 110 millimeters. Put this on the rim, and then fill it up to that much fluid. So if you drain the exact amount I did out, which is most of it, we'll see. I'll try to get an idea of how many ounces that is. All right, so with my forks, it touches at the bottom, not at the top. It's at an angle. I'm gonna call that 110 milliliters. And it took exactly 500 milliliters in each one. So there you go. Use that for what it's worth. All right, so just a quick refresher. Tighter coils down. Kerplunk. It's pretty clean. Kerplunk. Not sharp side down. Wash that off on my wrist. Kerplunk. Not sharp side down. Wash that off on my wrist. Kerplunk. I don't even know if that matters. That's dirty. Gonna clean these off. But anyhow, tubes, caps. That's it.